Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are new here, I am Vatsal and I'm an artist, songwriter, and music producer. And in this video, I am talking about time management and how I manage my day as an independent artist, songwriter, music producer, and content creator. So let's dive right into it. So I know you are thinking right now that Vatsal, we are independent artists, we are musicians, we are the ones who thrive off of chaos. Well, in some cases, it can be true, but most of us, I don't think we thrive in this chaotic situation. Now, in 2025, we all know that making good music is just the single piece of a big puzzle. Because in 2025, if you're an artist, if you're a musician, you're wearing a lot of hats. You are the talent, you are the producer, you are the songwriter, you are the engineer, you are the content creator, you are the video editor, you are pretty much everything. And on top of this, we have a life. And without right system and time management, you can quickly find yourself in a mess. And trust me, I've been there, done that, and it was awful. It was really, really awful. I was not enjoying anything. I was creating stuff for the sake of it. I was treating myself as a machine to fulfill all of these jobs. And at the end of the day, I was feeling burnout. And I don't want you to feel the same way I did a couple of months ago. I want you to enjoy your journey as an artist, as a musician, as a content creator, as well as enjoy the music, the stuff you are making, rather than feeling overwhelmed of a couple of hundred things you are doing at the same time. So there's a lot to accomplish in a day or week or month. And I don't know about you, but without right system, I felt like I was doing everything at once and I was getting nothing out of it. So that day I realized I need a system to optimize my days, my weeks, my months, and just basically focus on what needs to be done. So the first way I do this is by using a content calendar. And yes, I know it's not so cool because you are a rock star, you are a musician, you are an artist, you thrive on chaos. I remember that. But this will help you in the long run and it will save you a lot of time, lot of your energy, and basically save you from all of your panic attacks. If you know what I mean, right? You know it, right? So this is my content calendar, guys. I have date, week, and then we have different platforms like YouTube videos, YouTube Shorts, IG Reels, Instagram Grid, Threads or X, and emails and SMS right here. And I have mapped out all of the content that I'm going to be posting. So for example, on Wednesday, I posted this YouTube video. Then YouTube Shorts on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. IG Reels on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Then we have stories, IG stories. I'm posting every single day. Then we have this Instagram Grid, which is on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Threads and X on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And this is how I'm mapping my whole month in advance so that I am on the go whenever I need something. I'm not thinking of what I'm going to be creating next because I already have it planned out in advance. Now in the description of this video, I'm giving you a template of my content calendar that I use on a regular basis. I have downloaded this content calendar from an artist called Pink Ghost over the internet. And I have made some changes to the calendar according to my taste and my preferences. You will get that in the description down below for free. And also feel free to change it according to your needs, your preferences, and make it your own so that it is helping you optimize your days, your weeks, and your months, and just saving you a lot of time. Now, the second way I'm optimizing my time is by using a thing called notebook. It's a writing pad, actually. Now, in this writing pad, what I do is I write minimum 5 and maximum 7 tasks for a day. So this is my to-do list where I'm adding all of my tasks a day prior to the actual day. And I'm not adding more than 5 to 7 tasks. Now, I highly recommend you not adding more than this for a single day is because the more your brain will see, the more panic attacks you're going to get. Now, the third way I'm optimizing my time is by assigning the most important tasks for each day of the week. So for example, on Mondays, I'm usually finding ideas and scripting them. Then on Tuesdays, I am filming all of the scripts. On Wednesday, I'm editing all of the videos. On Thursday, I'm posting and scheduling according to my content calendar and my goals. On Friday, I'm also posting and scheduling and editing some of the videos if there are any left. I'm doing songwriting for that day. Basically, I'm trying to come up with new song ideas, new music ideas, and more. And on Saturday and Sunday, I am just making music. Now, I'm not going to say everything became perfect after using this system, but it's a lot more enjoyable. I'm not freaking out on a regular basis. I'm not getting all of those panic attacks. I'm enjoying what I'm making, the videos, the music, and everything. Because before this, I was chasing this and chasing that, and I procrastinated a lot, wasted a lot of my time. But now it's really enjoyable and I really like it. Now, I highly recommend you take these tools, tips, tricks, and techniques and schedule at least 2 weeks of your time and then see if the system is working for you. Or is there anything that you can change that will optimize the system even more for your preference, for your taste, and for your goals? And if you're going to follow this method as an artist, musician, or a content creator, I promise your journey will become less stressful and more enjoyable. So this was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. Subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I'll see you next time. Till then, keep telling your beautiful stories in a musical way.